Hi, it's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? This video is going to be a little bit different. I decided to maybe do a little bit of a... Birds are very, very vocal today. I wanted to do a little bit of a day in the life kind of thing. We've got a little bit of information about Penny, and we're going to go to the vet. She's going to have a bath and get her nails clipped at the vet. So that's one thing we're going to do. And then I got myself an adult tricycle. I ordered it from Mercado Libre, and it came in, and I'm very excited about that because that's going to get me out and about in the neighborhood and going around and be able to run some errands without having to depend on taxi or for whenever I just have to do something in the neighborhood, like not have to go to the beach or anything. Obviously, we still want to take a taxi or to do groceries, but just little local running around errands that I need to do. I wanted to get some wheels, so because we don't have a vehicle here. So that's going to be coming up in my video, you know, how I got it and where I took it to be assembled and that sort of thing. So that's going to be in this video, and then later we're going to go out for dinner to Pecao, which is a great little fish shop down, not portside, it's in the Colonia. So we're going to go down there and have some dinner. So that's what we are doing today. Okay, so this is the morning routine. Penny gets me up usually around 6:30 and 7, I guess. 6:30, between 6:30 and 7:30. Because she wants her breakfast. You really hungry? I'm not sure if I mentioned before that Penny is epileptic, so every morning she has to take a pill with her food. She's done really well. She hasn't had a seizure in like almost 4 years. So we've been trying to wean her off this medication, and well, she's gone from taking 1 pill a day from taking 2 pills a day to 1. So far so good. So I think we're getting better. We're hoping that when we get back to Canada, we can consult with the vet and see if we can get her completely up. I talked to him briefly before we came down, and he said definitely we could start working towards that. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, we're down to 1 a day instead of 12, or instead of twice, because she, it does damage to their liver, and it's just best to not have to take a pill. Okay, she is patiently waiting for her breakfast. Back in Canada, Penny's on a raw food diet, so but when we got to Mexico, of course, there wasn't the same availability for that sort of thing. So I went to Petco and I found these cans, and they're 90% just meat, and they have carrots and peas in them, but that's not too bad because that's a vegetable. So we've been buying that, and she's been doing quite well on it. Now, after we've had a bite to eat, it's time to go out in the back courtyard and do a little bit of quick business. Our back courtyard doesn't have any grass. It's just these little paver stones. So we have a little, I put a pea pad out just to contain the mess so it isn't getting all through the brickwork here. Okay, business is done. We're back in. Going back, getting ready to check. She always has to check her dish again, just to make sure she got every drop.
I bought myself a new gimbal for recording, and it's supposed to be has intelligence that it follows the subject as you're walking around. So this is I'm doing a sort of test run in this video with that as well. It seems to work pretty well. Next, we just sort of usually check out on our Facebook. Then Penny and I are off for our morning walk throughout the neighborhood. She loves it. She knows when the time comes. It's usually between 9 and 9:30, and she will start looking at me and say, "Come on, Mama, let's get out and get going." So we really enjoy our little walk through our neighborhood. After that, a little bit of YouTube work, and we're ready to start our day. Today, little Miss Penny is going for a spa day. She doesn't know it yet, but we're going to go to the vet, and we're going to get a bath. And we're going to get our nails done. So I'm not really sure what she's going to think of that, but we're going to go. Yeah. Here we are, La Vet del Bordo, where Penny is going to have her spa day. Oh, uh-oh. There's the kitty. I bet she didn't even walk right by and didn't even see that kitty, did you? There are a number of animals, this poor old pup and this three-legged cat that kind of hang around the vet area, and they looks like they look after them and feed them, and it's awesome. Penny went into this door, came back out. She is not very happy with Mama, but you know what? It was something we needed to get done, but she got over it. This is where I go to get my cash. There's an ATM machine here as well as the bank. So I can go into the bank because the ATM distributes large bills. So I go into the into the bank and then get some smaller bills changed. And they do that most of the time quite willingly. I've done a separate video about withdrawing cash from an ATM, and I'll put the link here to if anybody wants to take a look at that. Okay, here is my new wheels. I ordered it off, like I said, off the Mercado Libre, and then Victor suggested that I take it to this fellow, Pepe's Bicycle Repair. It's on Colonia sign. It's across from Las Coras restaurant. So we dropped it there, and he said, come back at 4. This was around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So sure enough, we went back, and he was pretty much done. He was just getting the basket put together, and Victor was giving him a hand with that. Man of many talents, that Victor. So yeah, here is my new wheels. He only charged me 150 pesos to put this together, and I mean that was an excellent price because it's pretty complicated. But anyways, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? I just can't wait to get out and about. And I'm off. Okay, we got her home. Safe and sound, and yeah, I rode it from the bike shop. It was actually really good. So now here we go. We got the garbage all loaded up because I missed it yesterday when I went to pick up my bike. It normally comes around 6, but of course it came early yesterday because I was away. Garbage comes, just a note on garbage. They pick up in this neighborhood 3 times a week. Thursday, Saturday, and Monday. So it's excellent. You know, they come and you just, like I say, you just give them a little tip, and yeah, they're good to go. So anyways, I missed it. So there's a big bin, like a community bin, that's kind of down around the corner that we can take things to. So now that I have my bike, I can go ahead and do that. So here we go. Yeah, it's a really nice day today, but there's some huge kind of black clouds up there that are going to be causing some trouble later today. We're hoping to go down to the beach because we haven't been in a while, so we will see what happens. Little puppies. Puppy, puppy.
Next up, we decided to go for dinner to Pecao. We've been here more than once, but this is the first time I had my camera with me to record. So, yeah, it's a great little restaurant. They're famous for their fish and chips. Unfortunately, we were there just before they closed, and they were all out of that. But that was good because it forced us to try something different. This little waitress is just amazing. I had the shrimp tacos, and Rick had the burrito. And she brought some fries split between sweet potato and wedges. It was delicious. Across the street from the restaurant, there was this cute little carnival going on, and it was there for about a week. It just took me back to my childhood whenever the fair used to come to town, and we would just be so excited. It did my heart good to see the kids all enjoying having such a great time.